This tutorial is brought to you by the Umatilla County Law Library. Online resources, legal research using Westlaw will introduce our users to the basics of browsing and searching the Westlaw databases. Westlaw is a subscription-based website used by the legal community to perform research using federal and state court cases and other court and legal documents. Westlaw and other online legal resources can be easily accessed on the Pendleton Public Library's public use computers. After signing up for a computer at the library's front desk, you'll launch the Google Chrome browser shown here, and then we'll create a new tab by clicking on the plus sign that can be found up top. And then in the list of online legal resources here, saved as favorites, we're going to click on Westlaw. And before we're provided with access, a terms and conditions page will be displayed. And now we're on the home page for Westlaw. We can see the All Content tab has been selected by default, which works great for us because the first thing we're going to do is browse cases. Now we have a couple of different categories to choose from, including all federal cases, all state cases, and then types of courts are broken down into different categories with the available options listed beneath. Let's scroll down and select Ninth Circuit under the Federal Cases by Circuit title. And here we can see the Ninth Circuit is also broken down into different categories. We can see that Oregon Federal District Court is listed under District Courts. Let's go ahead and return to our previous page of cases. And you can see that we can also browse states. And for this demonstration, we're going to go ahead and select Oregon. And now we have a listing of the different courts within Oregon to search through for our legal research. Let's go ahead and return to Westlaw homepage and browse legal topics. So under all content, we can see topics and key numbers. Go ahead and select that. And we'll then be provided with a list of different legal topics, all in alphabetical order. Each one also has its own key number, which can be used when referencing the content within Westlaw's databases. For this demonstration, we're going to browse down to the topic of divorce. And down here, we can see that divorce has a key number of 134. If you hover the mouse over any legal topic, an icon with a lowercase I will appear signifying information on this topic. Let's go ahead and click on the I. And here we have a box which appears with a list of subjects that are included in the legal topic of divorce. Whether it's related or not, it will also state which topics you can search for. For instance, you can see the annulment of marriage should be found under the topic marriage and cohabitation instead of divorce. Let's go ahead and close this box for now, and we're going to click on the actual topic of divorce. And again, we can see that our topic is broken down into different subcategories. Each subcategory is ordered. The first section goes from 1 to 11.5. We're going to go ahead and select the first category of origin and nature of remedy in general. And before we proceed, I just wanted to point out in the top left-hand corner, you can always filter your search results and search between different courts. Of course, you can also search within the results that you have been provided with. So we're going to go ahead and go back to the previous screen and scroll down a tad bit here. You can see more subcategories. We're going to keep scrolling down. And then here in Section 5 for spousal support, allowances, and disposition of property, we're going to select Part A in general. And again, our topic has been divided into even more content subcategories for your legal research needs. We're going to go ahead and return to Westlaw's homepage and briefly review a couple other tabs here. Here's federal materials, which includes different types of federal codes, circuit courts, and cases. The next tab is state, which of course lists all of the states, some districts. And the last thing I wanted to show you real quick was the search bar, which can be found up top. You want to enter your legal topics into the field on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, is a menu for jurisdiction. When we select that, we get this menu that pops up. You can check up to 3 different options for jurisdiction. Here, for this example, we have federal and Oregon checked. So we'll get content on divorce that's relevant to the laws in the United States and the state of Oregon, of course. And don't forget to click save. And that's it for online resources, legal research with Westlaw. Thank you for watching. And if you'd like to know more information about the Umatilla County Law Library, which is located inside the Pendleton Public Library, click subscribe and follow us on Facebook.